checking now if I have copyright on my videos, which I have used the music in Facebook account. So let's check. Let's see if I have copyright videos. Okay, so help and support inbox, your alerts. So I have 2 alerts. So this one I need to delete. Okay, because it's useless. Even you have million of views, your account cannot monetize. So take a look, guys. Continue, have warning this one, continue, and then remove, continue, delete video, so close. So when we go back, I want to delete the other one. Let's check. So still have one. The new one I have upload, this one, Heart of Gold, is copyright, so I need to delete. Okay, so continue, touch this one to continue, delete. So this is it, the easy way. You just need to follow what you have seen, the instruction. So okay, so I am sharing now to all of you for my awareness too. So have a nice day, happy Tuesday, and good luck. Bye bye.